In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Close.com for startups. Before you begin, make sure you already have a Close.com account created. Once that's ready, log into your account to access your workspace and start the setup process. The first thing you'll want to do is open integrations. Start by connecting your calendar, because this helps sync meetings, improve visibility across your sales activity, and makes it easier to manage follow-ups without switching between tools. In the search bar, type Calendar, then choose Google Calendar. If your team uses Microsoft instead, that's also an option, but in this setup, we're selecting Google Calendar. Next, click to connect your Google Calendar account. Choose Google, then select Connect with Google. From there, pick the Google account you want to link to Close.com and continue through the permission screens. These prompts allow Close.com to access the calendar features needed for syncing and event management. After approving the connection, click Save to finish that part of the setup. Once your calendar is connected, go to Settings. Before importing leads, it's a good idea to define your sales process first, so your CRM structure matches the way your startup actually sells. Inside Settings, open Customization and then Custom Fields. Start with Lead Custom Fields. Default lead fields in Close.com usually cover the basic company or lead information, while custom fields let you track details that matter specifically to your business. Click New Lead Custom Field, type Website, and add the field. This is useful for storing a lead's company site in a consistent place. Then create another lead custom field, enter Monthly Revenue, and set the field type to Number. That way the value stays clean and sortable for reporting. After that, move to Contact Fields. Default contact fields typically store individual level information like name, email, and phone, and custom fields help you capture more context. Add a new contact custom field called LinkedIn URL, then add it. This is helpful for quick profile access during outreach. Add another contact custom field called Decision Maker, then add that as well. This can help your team quickly identify whether the contact has purchasing authority. Next, go to Opportunities. Opportunity fields are used to track deal-specific information, and the default fields usually cover essentials like pipeline stage and value. Add a new opportunity custom field called Product Interest, then add it. This helps capture what the prospect is most interested in. Then add another opportunity custom field named Competitor and save that too, which is useful for tracking competitive deals. When that's done, go to Leads. Click the plus icon, choose Import Leads and Data, and then click Upload File. You can also copy and paste contacts if needed. From here, map your columns carefully. Column mapping makes sure each spreadsheet field matches the correct field in Close.com, including the custom ones you just created. Once everything looks right, continue and complete the import. The import may take some time, so wait until it finishes. After that, you can organize your leads with smart views and create tasks. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.